Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn English subject grammar, and in that we are going to study topic of composition on my school. We are going to write a composition. Before that, we have to remember some of the points to write this composition. Means you have to write this composition in a single line notebook, not a 3-line, 4-line, nothing. You have to write your composition on single line notebook. Okay, then date on left side top. Date जो आप लिखोगे वो लेफ्ट साइड में होना चाहिए. It should be left side of the page. And paragraph with the 4 fingers. When you write the essay or any composition, you have to write in 2 to 3 paragraphs. Before starting that paragraph, it should be a measurement of 3 to 4 fingers. It should be. Then there should be full stop everywhere where it is needed. And after that, after every full stop, the next letter should be capital. जब भी हम लोग फुल स्टॉप करेंगे, फुल स्टॉप जहाँ पे होगा वहाँ से the next letter should be a capital letter. Now we will see the composition and then you will understand how to write it. Means in this page, this is your page. It is a single line, you can see. I have written on a single line. Then the topic should be in the middle. Our topic is my school. And your date should be on the left side of it. It should be on the left side. Then we will start this composition. See, my school's name is Shiv Vidya Niketan English Primary School. Firstly, you have to write your school's name. And before that, I told you that before writing any paragraph, it should be 4 fingers or 3 fingers should be there. So, left 3 or 4 finger space before writing any paragraph. Then you have to write your school's name. Then, my principal's name is Mr. Rana Pratap S. Yadav. Then you are going to write your principal's name, who is the principal of the school. It is very important. Then, my school building is huge in size and spacious. Means our school. Have you seen your school? I think so. Every day you are watching it. Then the school building is huge. Huge means बड़ा. In size. उसकी size में वो क्या है? बड़ा है. And spacious means lots of space is there. बहुत जगह है school में. Then my school has 20 classrooms. Means how many classrooms are there in your school? It has 20 classrooms. 20 classrooms है. It has big library with lots of books. And we have one library in the school where we go every now and then. There we have lots of books that which we are giving you. जब हम लोग देते हैं स्टोरी टाइम का बुक का हम लोग का जब टाइम रहता है at that time we are giving you books. That means it has a big library with lots of books. Now you can see in after every sentence where it stops, I have the full stop. See, here also full stop, here and here also. And after every full stop, the new letter should be in a capital letter. Now we are starting with a new paragraph. What did I told you? That before writing any paragraph, it should be 3 to 4 fingers. Space should be there. और ये भी ध्यान रखो कि ये पैराग्राफ की जो लाइन है एकदम सेम आनी चाहिए. सी दिख रहा है? हाँ, it's like that. Now we will move on to the second paragraph. My school teachers are very loving and caring. You can see, means we have to write about our teachers also because they are teaching us in the school. That's why they are very loving and caring. There is a big playground where we play outdoor games. In school, the ground should be there and the ground how it is. It is a big playground. You are playing in the sports, you know. तो वहाँ पे क्या खेलते हैं? What we are playing over there? We are playing outdoor games, not indoor games. We are playing in the playground. We are playing outdoor games. Then the next, my school celebrates many festivals. We are celebrating lots of festivals in the school. You know it very well. You are taking part in that, like Guru Purnima, Independence Day, Navratri, Christmas, Republic Day, etc. Means these are some of the festivals that I am telling you. But others also there, like Hindi Divas, Marathi Divas, all this we are celebrating, and we are taking lots of competitions also. But I am not mentioning here. I am mentioning here some of the festivals which we are celebrating in the school. Now you can see the next. My school organize many competitions and distribute prizes for the same. Means our school is taking or organizing many of the competitions like essay writing competition, allocution competition, fancy dress competitions, and distributes the prizes for the same. This is the second paragraph. Now we will move on to the third paragraph. Then again we will see 3 to 4 fingers should be there. Then my school uniform is red and blue in color. You have to write your uniform's color over here. Then my school always remains neat and tidy. Our school remains always clean. It means neat and tidy. My school has an art wall for which we can put our artwork on the wall. What do you mean by an art wall? Art wall means on which wall you are sticking out your drawings or any craft or something like that. It is called an art wall, and we are having that in the classroom. My school arranges social work on 2nd October Gandhi Jayanti in the memory of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Our school is doing social work. You can remember the things. On 2nd October आप लोग ने देखा होगा आपके एरिया में सब टीचर्स एंड सब बच्चे जो रहते हैं वो सब आते हैं. They are means organizing the cleanliness campaign or like that. It is on 2nd October they are organizing. Then my school is the best school and I love my school very much. It's well said that school is a temple of knowledge. This you should remember, the school is always a temple of knowledge because school is giving you so many things. Means they are teaching you the cleanliness, tidiness, then punctuality and all the things which makes you a good citizen. So I am just revising the whole composition again. See, my school's name is Shiv Vidya Niketan English Primary School. My principal's name is Mr. Rana Pratap S. Yadav. My school building is huge in size and spacious. My school has 20 classrooms. It has big library with lots of books. My school teachers are very loving and caring. There is a big playground where we play outdoor games. My school celebrates many festivals like Guru Purnima, Independence Day, Navratri, Christmas, Republic Day, etc. And my school organizes many competitions and distributes prizes for the same. My school uniform is red and blue in color. My school always remain neat and tidy. My school has an art wall for which we can put our artwork on the wall, and my school arranges social work on 2nd October Gandhi Jayanti in the memory of Mahatma Gandhi ji, and my school is the best school. I love my school very much. It's well said that school is a temple of knowledge. I hope you all learned this composition well, and you have to write this composition in a essay writing book. You have to make it is of 100 page and it should be a single line notebook. Okay, you have to write the date, you have to write the topic, and you have to write this composition in that book. And on the next page I am giving you one homework that you have to write a composition on my best friend. You have to write a composition on your best friend, means about your best friend. What is his name, or where did he study, or his hobbies, or where you people are playing. Just like that you have to write at least 10 to 15 lines on my best friend. Okay, again we will see the points to remember before writing the composition. Means you have to write in a single line notebook. I told you 100 page notebook should be there. Date on left side top. डेट जो रहेगी वो लेफ्ट साइड पे रहेगी एकदम ऊपर. Then paragraph with the 4 fingers. Paragraph should be with the 3 to 4 fingers should be. Then full stop where it is needed. After every full stop, the next letter should be capital. Next letter should be capital. Every time I show you in this chart, you have seen that in chart I have written it properly. Okay. We will see the next things in the next lecture. Thank you so much, children.